So we just woke up and there is a massive snowstorm, which we knew was coming anyway, but we lost power, so yeah, we're just sitting here waiting for it to go back on. We might be without power for today or for the next 3 days, so we'll see what happens, but we'll show you what we're dealing with. So I know it probably doesn't look like much, but if you really look, see if I can zoom in here, those are our chairs.
Typical
by
lawn
our
chairs.
fire pit. What?
Standard lawn chairs.
Yeah, so you could tell we got, what was it, like 18 inches?
We got 3 foot snowdrift.
Well, we officially got blizzarded. Definitely got easily 3 foot snowdrifts. I just had to take a walk into my backyard and do unmentionables because we have a well and a septic system and we don't have power. So I had to lean against a tree. At least I remember to bring my TP with me. For more backyard life hacks during winter 2026, do not follow this channel.
The road's closed, bud. It's useless. Want to try the straight shovel too, or no? What's up with your paws, buddy? You look like Carmen Miranda. Yeah, the broom's gonna do it.
I'm just getting off the big stuff, you know?
He's having the time of his life, all things considered. This is one hand washing the other. Bob from Hillside Auto. He's gonna park his truck here, and he's just hitting my driveway with a little bit of razzmatazz. Groovy. Got a russet potato. She's good for the walk?
She's ready.
All right, she's ready. Just got a free driveway plow from Bob, Adam, and Hazel the dog. Because I let them use my driveway.
So we are cooking in our wood stove because our stove obviously isn't working because we don't have power.
I'm gonna do 5 minutes, so.
Yep, time it. Being resourceful. Alright, let's see how we did.
It sure is sizzling.
Yeah. Oh, that looks good.
Looks great.
Yeah.
It's gonna be hot. I wouldn't go crazy touching
I know.
that.
I'm burning myself. I'm trying to get a shot for the camera. Look
Oh,
at that, you
cheese is
guys.
melted.
Vegan stuffed peppers.
On the wood stove.
On the wood stove. You guys, look at that. This is Impossible plant-based meat. And then I just did some onions, red pepper, jalapeno pepper, and vegan cheese. And it is looking pretty damn good. Still no power.
Groovy. Living the Victorian life.
Weirdly enough, I'm okay with it. This is nice. All right, it is that time again. We are getting ready to plant our seeds so that come springtime, we can start our vegetable / spice garden. I'll show you what we have here as soon as I get them planted. All right, so I just finished planting them and setting them on the windowsill. I'm going to show you guys what we planted. Here we go. All right, so for our spices, we have parsley, rosemary, cilantro, peppermint, thyme, basil, dill, and garlic chives. Pretty excited about this one, actually. And for our vegetables, we have jalapeno peppers, mild, hot peppers, salsa blend, cayenne peppers, onion, tomato, cherry tomato, broccoli, winter squash, peppers, eggplant, celery, lettuce, spinach, cucumber, Brussels sprouts, red onion, yellow onion, and carrots. We're actually going to plant potato, I think, too. We just obviously don't have seeds for that. That's something that you just take almost rotting potato and plant. So we're going to try our luck with all this and see what grows come spring, summertime. So stick with us and find out.